We've all been in situations where someone has insulted us. Whether it's at school, work, or even on social media, insults can be hurtful and can affect our confidence and self-esteem. It's important to learn how to deal with insults so that they don't affect our mental and emotional health. In this video, we'll discuss 8 tips and tricks on how to handle insults and how to build resilience when faced with such situations. Join the Energy Realms community and start your journey towards a better you by subscribing, share, and like this video. Turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever we drop a new video. Thank you for your support. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, don't take it personally. The first thing to remember when dealing with insults is that it's not always about you. Some people insult others because they are going through difficult situations and want to take their frustration out on someone else. Others may be jealous of your abilities or achievements, so they put you down to make themselves feel better. Understanding that an insult is often about the person giving it, not the person receiving it, can help you not take it to heart. Tip number 2, stay calm and collected. When someone insults you, it's easy to get angry and upset. However, reacting at the moment can make the situation worse. Instead, take a deep breath and stay calm and collected. Responding calmly and rationally shows that you are in control and not affected by the insult. Don't stoop to the insulter's level by insulting them back or getting physical. Tip number 3, build resilience. Building resilience is key to dealing with insults. Resilience means you can cope with difficult situations and come out the other side stronger. One way to build resilience is to practice self-care. This means taking care of yourself mentally, emotionally, and physically. Engage in activities that make you feel good about yourself, such as exercise, hobbies, or spending time with loved ones. Tip number 4, learn to forgive. Forgiveness is a powerful tool when dealing with insults. Holding a grudge or harboring anger towards someone who has insulted you can be detrimental to your mental and emotional health. Forgiving the person who insulted you doesn't mean that you condone their behavior, but it means you are letting go of the negative emotions associated with the insult. Forgiving also allows you to move forward and not dwell on the past. Tip number 5, surround yourself with positive people. Surrounding yourself with positive people can help you build resilience and cope with insults. Positive people can offer words of encouragement and support, which can help boost your confidence and self-esteem. Having a strong support system also helps to distract you from negative thoughts and feelings associated with the insult. Tip number 6, address the insult. Sometimes, it's appropriate to address the insult head-on. If someone has insulted you, it's important to let them know that their behavior is not acceptable. Be assertive, but not aggressive, when addressing the insult. Use I statements to express how the insult made you feel, and avoid attacking the person who insulted you. By addressing the insult, you are setting boundaries and showing that you won't tolerate disrespectful behavior. Tip number 7, don't let insults define you. Insults can affect our self-esteem and confidence, but it's crucial not to let them define us. Remember that an insult is just a word, and it doesn't reflect who you are as a person. Focus on your strengths and achievements, and don't let negative comments bring you down. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Tip number 8, seek professional help. If insults are affecting your mental and emotional health, it may be helpful to seek professional help. A therapist or counselor can help you work through the negative feelings associated with insults and provide strategies for coping with difficult situations. Don't be afraid to seek help if you need it. Dealing with insults can be tough, but it's important to remember that you are not alone. By following these tips and tricks, you can learn how to handle insults and build resilience when faced with difficult situations. Don't let insults define you. Surround yourself with positive people and practice self-care. Remember, you are strong, capable, and worthy of respect. Remember that insults can come from anyone, but you have the power to control how you react to them. By practicing self-care, building resilience, and surrounding yourself with positive people, you can learn how to handle insults in a healthy and constructive way. Don't let insults hold you back or make you doubt yourself. Keep believing in yourself and your abilities, and remember that you are capable of handling anything that comes your way. With these tips and tricks, you can turn insults into opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.